Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be showing you guys how to do is how to delete your LinkedIn profile. So let's get right into it. LinkedIn is a very useful social media site where you can communicate with businesses and business people, whether it be for searching for a job or searching for employees. In general, just sharing your experiences or your opinions via posts, writing articles, and even using it as a sort of online resume, and so on and so forth. However, some people might be dissatisfied with LinkedIn and they might think that they don't need an account anymore. And if you're among them, follow this tutorial on how you can close your LinkedIn account permanently. Now, to actually do that, what you want to do is click on the Me icon in the top right. Once you do, navigate to Settings and Privacy. Once you are here, what you want to do is go to Sign In and Security. And I think this is it. Let me just double check if it's not somewhere else. Yeah, under Account Preferences, it is the very first page that opens up. Just scroll all the way down to Account Management. You can hibernate your account if you want to be inactive, or to hibernate it to a but yeah, set it to be inactive. Sorry about that, my brain glitched out. And you can close it. Click on close and you will be unable to close that account yet. As you can see, since this is not a completely set up account, since I need to set up a password and everything, I just logged in via Google. However, if you have your password, you'll be able to click on close account, enter your password, and that is pretty much it. Your account will be closed. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.